Hi, and welcome to AfriHost Help Center. Today I'm going to show you how to create an app using Softaculous in CWP. Open your internet browser and navigate to afrihost.com. Select ClientZone at the top of the page. Enter your ClientZone username and password and click Login. If this is your first time logging into ClientZone on this device, you may receive an OTP via SMS. Enter the OTP number and select Submit to log in. Once you are logged into ClientZone, select the Hosting tab. Select the domain you wish to install the application on. Click on Website Manager and then select Log into Website Manager. The CWP dashboard will load. Once in CWP, select Script Installers from the menu on the left-hand side and then select Softaculous from the sub-menu below. The Softaculous app installer page will load with all the applications available on the left-hand side. Select the type of application you want and then select the application you wish to install. Click the Install Now button and follow the prompts to complete this installation. You can find more videos with instructions on how to set up the various applications on our YouTube channel.